In this video, I'm going to be looking at textile foam cleaner versus clothes washing up powder in water. I'm going to do 3 segments of this roof lining here. Going to spray on the product, wipe it clean with the microfiber towel, and then we're going to see which does the best job. So first of all, we're going to do the foam cleaner. So I'm just going to wipe it with the old microfiber. Just very gently. I'm not going to be, I'm not putting a lot of pressure on it. What does it feel like? You know, that feels dry now. The next one is going to be the one with the washing powder in it. I'm just going to spray it on here. So I think that I've left it there for long enough. Obviously, it feels a bit wetter because it is. But again, same kind of pressure. And that's that. So this is the foam. This is the washing powder. And let's see what difference it's made. So the foam has done a really good job. And then versus the washing powder spray, this is what we've got. To be honest, I think it's about identical. Let's do another test with these 2 sections next to each other and let's see if we can tell any difference. So we're just going to do the fleece again, same as before. So the lines here, I'd say they're basically more or less identical. I suppose this was going to be probably €5 for the can, and I'd probably put a tiny amount of washing powder in this, probably not even a cent. So the pluses and minuses of both. The powder is obviously much cheaper, and I'd say it does just as good a job as the fabric cleaner, but you can have the blockage with the spray, and it's a bit messier because it's water. With the fabric cleaner, it's expensive, but it's cleaner, there's no water, and it does just as good a job as the powder. So you really, with a foam cleaner, with a foam fabric cleaner, you're really paying for the convenience rather than extra cleaning power, I would say. Is the convenience worth it? It is nice not to have to deal with water. You get the same spray every time. I suppose if you're prepared to pay the extra money and it's not a bother, textile cleaner is the way to go. If you want to do it the cheapest way possible, you get the washing powder spray and deal with the issues of the water dripping and possible blockages in the nozzle. He pays your money and he takes your choice. If you found the video helpful, please vote on it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already. Look after yourselves, and I'll see you again in the next video.